we got something fun in the mail. Look at this. Look at that. Guess what that is? I don't know yet. You'll have to find out. Just kidding. I'll unbox it and then I'll tell you a few things about why I got what I did and how it's going to improve my Focus RS's performance. Let's get to it. If you know what that symbol is, then you know, basically. Keep the peanuts contained. Keep the peanuts contained. Keep the peanuts contained. The peanuts are not being contained. These are clamps. Can you see anything I'm doing? Yeah, you can. So, in that box, we just unboxed my DEPO Racing hard pipe kit for my Focus RS. Now, this is going to be extremely fun to install. I'm mostly joking because I have no idea. So this is gonna, I think it's 2.5 inches, 2.25 maybe, I don't know, I'll have to measure. Super good for making power and flow with the RS. So this is a very good upgrade. I'm super excited about doing it. And the next thing is in there. Why we had to staple it? No idea. But they stapled it. That's for sure. My God, dude, this looks insane. Jeez. There's no way this is not gonna sound amazing. What in the hell? Dude, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out here. There's no way. So I don't know about you, but that's a lot bigger than I was expecting, and I don't know what I was expecting because it said 5 inches on the website, but that's really big. And I'm just... Like I said, I got the REV9 intercooler from eBay because guess what? It's an intercooler, okay? It's a piece of metal with holes in it. Yeah, that's really all. That's the only reason. I'm not paying $1,100. Yeah, they're probably like lighter and stuff, but whatever, you know? Whatever. I'm the guinea pig for you guys. If it's good, I'll tell you. If it's not, you know, I'll tell you. You'll see me in like a split second, but I'm gonna go inside and like probably just go to bed because I'm tired. And I will see you right about now.
Oh, you found the right bolt.
Nice. That is one less 45-minute trip to AutoZone that I needed to go. I recommend having 2 people for this job. Being a newer car, a 2016. It's very tight, and you don't have access to hose clamps. You don't have access to wiggle around the couplers. The intercooler mount's weird. Whole bunch of cases that just make life really difficult. I recommend having 2 people for this job. That's all I have to say about that. It's installed. The intercooler is installed, as you can see. I got it on these little clips. That was the part I was struggling with the most, because I have one person, or I am one person. I don't think I damaged anything. If I did, oh well, because power. You get 2 people, and it'll be a lot better. Now, what I want to say is, it looks really good. That's a fact. I bent a couple fins, but that's to be expected. On the install, that was horrible. I mean, come on. 2 fins on a stupid install like this. The hose clamps and the couplers are absolutely too small. So I stretched the couplers. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but we're gonna hope they stay, because I don't want to do this ever again, basically, unless the car is like apart. Put the car back together, tighten everything down, put the car back together, go inside, probably take a shower and cool off maybe for 14 hours, and then come back out and see if it runs. I mean, that lined up pretty well, if you ask me. Everything is in and it's tightened down. I tightened down everything. All the clamps, all the mounting points, everything. So if it leaks or if I blow a coupler, I'm going to be very upset. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the headlights back in and then rig up some way to open my hood. And then what I'm going to do is just drive without a bumper, without the under tray, drive around and just make sure I get full boost and make sure I don't blow a coupler off. Then we can button up the under tray and the front bumper. This is our maiden voyage with the new intercooler and charge pipes. I'm hoping we have no issues. Wouldn't that be great? It's driving. It sounds a lot different. The turbo noises are like deeper and throatier. We built 9 PSI with no problems. it's doing a pretty good job of what it's supposed to be doing. And it's allowing me, or I don't have any boost leaks. And charge air temp right now is 113 degrees. We will find out what that is after we do this poll. Because charge air temp is now 114 degrees. Let's see what it drops to. During the poll, it dropped from 114 to 95 degrees. Which is like crazy, first of all. And second of all, there's a cop. And third of all, I'm very happy with it. Because as soon as it's like heat soaked, and then like as soon as I do a poll, I have all of my power available. I don't get heat soaked during the poll. So I wrap them a bit. But oh my god, I almost died. My 10 mil almost killed me.